I replaced this board. Long board. Has this short one been replaced? Replace it. Let's take a video
you
of
can
this
change it
another small video. The accuracy of this large plate. Okay, then we'll call the police. If you call the police, we will replace this board. How to change a board? First, we're going to tear off this piece of this membrane. Is this film a consumable? This matching bit is originally packaged for you, and then I turn it off. Turn off the gas. After you turn off the gas and pull it over. After it's closed, what's this location? Loosen the screws. I think he's a teacher. Loosen it and take the screws out. Unplug this straw first. Just take the straw and take this piece out. After taking it out, let's put another piece on it. Put another set on it. Install another set. Put another set on it. This set is okay. Read. If this hole is on this side, it is here. We pretend to see the time. How about this one? It's a pair of flat here. Flatten this. Flatten it. 4米2. Put this screw on. It's the same on your side now. We'll dismantle this one later. Open this one again. First pull out the trachea. Pause. Then remove this piece here and here. The screw is loose. Okay, loose. This is where we're going to take this off. Take it off and put this and this on. This one goes on. Is this hole on it? Then apply the screws. Upper screw. Lock it first. Don't lock it yet. Does it look parallel to you? It has to be parallel. Parallel, and then lock the screws. Lock the screws on both sides to lock it. Count it here too. Tighten it. Then this board has been replaced. So let's put the system in. Put this in again. This board. Okay. Let's take this film on later. Paste it into this film. There is a film sticker attached to straighten it. straighten and cut it off. Is there anything else that doesn't work? Click flat. What about after labeling? We'll start it. Check how big the label is. Start this tab and come here. You see this mark here? Are we going to punch holes in these places? Where is the poke hole? Poke the hole in these positions. Control. How big and how many holes do you want to poke this label? Is the edge so big after this draw? That long? Are you so free? Do you want it here? It should be the same on both sides. Don't talk too much. Otherwise, the air will leak. Probably. See last Wait first. And see if it tastes good enough. After the red draw, we will start the play. We can start posting C. There are also C stickers. Okay. Then start. Is the way out this warrant? Just change it. The way to change the warrant is okay.